Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And over on the Blue Alliance, we see 2073 already making one shot into their speaker, picking up another note and scoring that one as well. However, Red Alliance not to be outmatched, starting the match off with some scoring of their own. However, it is still the Blue Alliance with the lead as the drivers take control. Eagle Force already picking up another note, lining up in front of the speaker, scoring that one. However, Red Alliance, we see Apes of Wrath quickly working to manage that. We see Gold Striker's note bouncing out, but Apes of Wrath does make it into the speaker for the Red Alliance as TKO adds a note into the amp. Back on Blue, however, they are keeping it close. We see 4990, they're trying to get a note scored into the amp. And 6348, theirs does not quite make it into the speaker. However, Eagle Forces does for the Blue Alliance, keeping this match so far neck and neck. And back on the Red Alliance, Apes of Wrath lining up in front of their speaker again, scoring one note, finding another on the ground, trying to get a hold of it. And if they're able to get a handle on that, they might be able to score as well. Red Alliance ahead by just 2 points. Blue Alliance, we have Eagle Force across field trying to find a note to pick up, looking for something to bring back and score themselves. And we see Apes of Wrath finally getting that note scored into the speaker for Red and racing across field to pick another one up, joining their alliance partners TKO over by their human players. And both those Red Alliance teams racing back. TKO loses a hold of their note. Apes of Wrath brings theirs back. Their first attempt at scoring it, however, does not quite make it in, but they managed to win the fight to pick that note back up again, and that one does make it into the speaker. And with that, Red Alliance pulls ahead by just 1 point with 45 seconds in the match. However, Eagle Force on Blue, they score a speaker note of their own, and it is Blue Alliance who has the lead by 1 point, but Apes of Wrath quickly answer that with one of their own and TKO scoring. Red Alliance pulling ahead slightly into the final 30 seconds of the match. TKO scoring one more, and now we enter endgame at 20 seconds remaining in the match. Red Alliance, however, not quite done with scoring notes just yet. Red Alliance nearly getting a high note on the microphone, but not quite landing it. Still have 10 seconds, however. And on Red, we see Gold Strikers on stage, and 3 seconds left. Apes of Wrath look like might have done it, and TKO trying to climb, but not quite making it into the air. Alliance holds on to their lead and wins that match with a score of 54-32. Red Alliance earning 2 ranking points total from that match.